At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Have you ever wondered what foods you should eat to maintain a healthy lifestyle? The Food Pyramid is a tool designed to help with that, offering a clear and structured guide to nutrition. The Food Pyramid visually outlines the recommended daily intake of various food groups, all essential for a balanced diet and overall well-being. It categorizes foods into specific groups based on their nutritional value, including fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy products. Each of these groups provides unique benefits that support bodily functions and promote good health. The primary goal of the Food Pyramid is to encourage healthy eating habits by incorporating a variety of foods from all these groups in your daily meals. This approach ensures you get a diverse range of essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients that your body needs to thrive. By following the guidelines of the Food Pyramid, you can achieve dietary balance and optimize your nutritional intake. Embracing a variety of foods from different groups enhances nutritional adequacy and fosters a holistic approach to nourishment, contributing to your vitality and overall wellness. Eating healthily is crucial for maintaining optimal health and preventing chronic diseases. The Food Pyramid illustrates the 5 main food groups for a well-rounded diet. Fruits. This section encourages you to eat a variety of fruits daily. Aim for 2 to 4 servings to support a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Vegetables. Vegetables are key for providing essential nutrients and antioxidants. Aim for 3 to 5 servings of colorful vegetables daily, including leafy greens and cruciferous veggies. Grains. The pyramid emphasizes whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oats. These provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals essential for a balanced diet. Protein. Protein-rich foods are vital for tissue repair, immune function, and muscle health. Incorporate a variety of protein sources like lean meats, fish, beans, and nuts, aiming for 2 to 3 servings daily. Dairy or alternatives. Dairy is crucial for bone health, providing calcium. Choose low-fat or non-fat dairy products or opt for fortified plant-based alternatives like almond or soy milk. Aim for 2 to 3 servings daily. Our printable food pyramid serves as a visual guide to help you adopt healthier eating habits and maintain a balanced diet. It breaks down food groups into recommended daily servings, emphasizing variety and moderation. Download the template from our resource library. You can find it in the link in the description. Place the printed pyramid where you frequently prepare meals, like on your refrigerator or kitchen cabinet. Use the pyramid as a reference when planning meals and snacks, ensuring you're incorporating all food groups in an appropriate serving size. Adjust serving sizes based on individual needs, considering factors like age, gender, activity level, and health conditions. Encourage exploring a variety of foods within each group to maximize nutrient intake and keep meals interesting. Help your client or yourself establish healthy eating habits by incorporating the pyramid's principles into daily routines. Create balanced meals with foods from each group, aiming for variety in colors, textures, and flavors to enhance the dining experience and ensure adequate nutrition. Here is a sample of our printable food pyramid to give you an idea of how it can be used in your practice. To explore more of our free templates, visit our templates library on the Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free, just click on the sign up link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.